Ever wondered if talking to plants actually helps them grow? Or perhaps you've been told that you should water your plants in the cool of the day to avoid scorching their leaves? Today, we're going to debunk some common gardening myths and provide you with the real scoop. Myth number 1. Talking to plants helps them grow. This one has been around for ages, and while it's a charming idea, it's not entirely accurate. Yes, plants do respond to carbon dioxide, which we exhale when we talk. However, the amount we exhale is minuscule and doesn't significantly impact plant growth. The real benefit of talking to your plants? It means you're paying them attention, noticing if they need watering or if pests are attacking. Myth number 2. Watering plants in the heat of the day will scorch their leaves. This idea comes from the belief that water droplets act like tiny magnifying glasses, focusing sunlight and burning leaves. In reality, plants are incredibly resilient. If water droplets were that damaging, every rainfall during the day would result in scorched foliage. The best time to water? When your plant needs it, though early morning or late evening watering can reduce evaporation. Myth number 3. More fertilizer means more growth. It's easy to think that more is better when it comes to feeding your plants, but too much fertilizer can actually harm them. Excessive nutrients can create a harmful environment, causing root burn and hindering growth. The key to fertilizing is balance. Each plant has its own nutrient needs, so it's important to research and provide just what your plant requires. Myth number 4. All bugs are pests. It's a common belief that bugs spell trouble in the garden. However, not all insects are harmful. Many, like ladybugs, bees, and butterflies, are beneficial and help with pollination or pest control. So before you reach for that bug spray, take a moment to identify the insect. You might just have a garden helper rather than a pest. In summary, we've debunked 4 common gardening myths today. We've learned that talking to plants, while endearing, doesn't significantly help them grow. Watering plants in the heat of the day won't scorch their leaves, and over-fertilizing can be more harmful than beneficial. And remember, not all bugs are bad. Some are essential allies in your garden. Understanding these misconceptions can help clear the path for a healthier, more productive garden. So keep these facts in mind as you tend to your plants and watch them thrive in the truth, not in myths. Happy gardening!